Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another weekly vlog. It is Saturday and it is a snow day, so it is snowing outside. I doubt it's gonna stick and we'll be off on Monday, but it is snowing outside now. But just a quick recap, last week was Caden's surgery. This past week we had the ice storm thing on Monday, so I was out of school, and then this entire week has been good for both of us. I've been very productive. I've worked out every day of the week except for yesterday, and me and my little cousin are about to head to the gym now. What else? Oh, so this morning, let me flip this camera. So I've been talking a lot about wanting to get more organized. And one of the things I wanted to get organized with was budgeting in my finances. So this morning, I just felt very much led to like get on ChatGPT and really be serious about making a budget. So it worked out. So when I use ChatGPT, I try to break it up into pieces because then I usually get the results that I want. Of course, I don't use chat for everything, but it's really helpful when you're creating documents, especially like Excel and things that I'm not the best at. I'm not a good Excel girly with all the different formulas and stuff. I'm not good at that. I'm good at like Word and PowerPoint and stuff, but not really Excel. So what I did was I just started off like talking to ChatGPT and breaking it up in bite-sized pieces. So backstory, me and my friend are deciding to meet once a month to just talk about our finances, pray over them, and just, you know, make sure we're on the right track and be each other's accountability partners. But I wanted to have an actual budget in place so that I have something to look at monthly. So I'm not just meeting her and being like, well, I think things are going great, you know? So what I did is I went to chat and I was like, hey, I'm working on a project. Can you help me? And then of course it's like, yeah, sure. What do you want to work on? And then I'm like, so me and my friend are going to meet up monthly to discuss finances and I want to create a budget. Oh, that sounds like a great idea. Okay, now step one. I'm gonna send you all of my subscriptions along with the dates of those. Let me know when you got them. I do that. Oh, thank you, I received them. What I have is sends me a list of subscriptions with dates, prices, yada yada. Then I was like, okay, cool. Now I'm gonna send you like my rent and other bills and things like that. And I'm gonna send you like credit card statements and stuff like that. Not actual statements, but like just what my balance is that I know of. And then like the date and the minimum payment, yada yada. So I send all that stuff, they grouped it all together. And then I said, hey, I want an Excel spreadsheet that takes the tithes out and does blah, da, 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 and da, 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 da. Cool. So it created me, oh, and I told him to make it cute because yeah. So it made this super cute purple, which is so cute. I love it. So basically I have a spreadsheet or Excel document that has like 4 to 5 sheets, which is great. The first one is a dashboard. On the dashboard, I can put what my payment or my check was, how much my check was. It subtracts the 10% for tithes, and then it breaks down what I need to pay towards each thing. On the next page, it has a place where I can like, my main bills that I owe on are like actual bills, like not like monthly things, but things that I have to like pay off, like debt. So it has a, kind of like a debt tracker. So I put how much I paid toward it, and it kind of breaks down like what I owe now and things like that. I have a big loan that I'm paying off. I have a sheet for that one, and monthly it'll tell me like how much less I owe. I also have one for day trading at the end. So any money that I decide to take out from day trading that I want to go toward bills, I can put that at the top. It will subtract the tithes from that, and then it will allocate where that money should go to and how it'll go for different bills as well as like savings and spending and things like that. So it's definitely very like personalized to me, and I'm like super excited about it. So that was just the highlight of my day today, was creating that that budgeting Excel spreadsheet. So if you want to use ChatGPT to do that, I would just recommend breaking things down into smaller pieces, because when you try to give chat everything at once, it never turns out the way you want it to. It gets confused and then things don't turn out good. But when you break it down, you can make some magic. Out of breath. Okay, so me and my little cousin are about to go to the gym because I'm trying to keep up and be consistent. I already see progress in the mirror and I want to keep it up. So I'm gonna work on arms today and cardio. I think he just wants to lift. And then, like I mentioned in previous videos, he really wants to be a chef when he grows up. So we always try to give him the opportunity to cook for us whenever he comes over, and he loves it. And we love not cooking. My mom loves cooking, but still. So we are letting him cook for us tonight, and he's gonna make us shrimp tacos. So we are excited about that. But yeah, we are headed to the gym, and then I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Erica, and welcome back to my channel. So this is definitely going to be like a sporadic type of vlog situation because I just keep picking up the camera randomly. So this is going to be like a catch-up type of thing. So today, me and my friend are headed to Bloom Cafe. We decided that we want to get a hold of our finances. Both of us are struggling. So we're like, why don't we get together once a month, go over our budget, make sure we're making progress, pray over our finances, like do the things, right? So we're going to meet today at Bloom Cafe, and we're just going to try to meet each other once a month. So that's what I'm about to do. But I wanted to show you my outfit because it was super cute and I haven't worn it before. So this right here is overalls, but they are from Shein, my place. And they're like this cute, like brown corduroy type, cute little, just so cute. I love it, okay? So I'm wearing that and a black top. And then I'm wearing just these regular, what do you call these, loafers? I don't know what you call them, but these flats from Shein as well. But I wanted y'all to see my outfit. So we are headed to Bloom.